Hi, this is Isabel Litzler. So today I received a question that was very interesting. Hi, I'm currently working for a small firm, but I have language skills. I have the work permit, international experience with global firms. Can I do better, basically? So I wanted to answer this question because I think it's quite interesting and it really reflects what a lot of expats are going through. A lot of people had prestigious jobs before, very high level positions, and they come to Switzerland. Of course, the language issue is the first thing they're faced with, but in this scenario, apparently this is not an issue. But still, depending on where you are, there may not be the needs for your skill set immediately, especially if you're in a very high competition type of activity. You will be faced with difficulty to get in maybe the firm that you want to get into. So my message is be patient, do well where you're at, excel in your tasks, show what you can deliver, and then you can get a good recommendation. You can also get interviews while you're working in this job. So be patient, excel, and network with individuals, have lunches and coffees while you're working to help you get to your ideal job, I would say. Thank you.